But if I could just show y'all what I'm working with, these two little deflated balloons up in here. So yes, I am for sure getting a boob job. I'm getting some new titties. I don't care who don't like it, okay?
Bitch, do you know how motherfucking magical you are? Wait a minute. The fuck? The what? Girl.
Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So y'all see it, y'all already know when I pop this robe out, honey. We about to try on some cute clothes, and I'm sure you can tell from the title of this video we are doing a haul today. We also gonna be talking about some body things, okay? We're gonna get a little personal up in this try on haul today, just talking about body and just letting y'all in on a little bit of a secret of mine. So today I am bringing y'all another Garden of Glam haul. So for those of y'all who don't know, my sister has a boutique called Garden of Glam. She is also here on YouTube, so go check her out, Tierra. Listen, I ordered my clothes Black Friday. She got them to me quick. I didn't just get these. They still freshly packaged and everything. They literally been sitting there in my closet through all my little moves and everything. I have not opened my clothes. Like, my life has literally been that hectic that I have not opened my package from Black Friday. So without further ado, let's go ahead and finally open this package and jump into this video. Now, this is cute. We're gonna start off with the cute comfy. Y'all already know my style and how I be doing with the little cute comfy pieces. Oh y'all, I am feeling this. This is so comfortable and cute. Nice compression on it. This is perfect for working out, or perfect if you just want to be cute or whatever. So I really like this. I like that this top has padding. Y'all, I need all the padding I can get. We're gonna go ahead and start off right there, because I know y'all still got questions about this title in the first place. Boob job, please. I mean, at this point in my life, padding is required. This is a necessity for me at this point. Like, if I could just show y'all what I'm working with, these two little deflated balloons up in here. At this point, like, my little deflated balloons, it didn't bother me at first. I kind of used to just joke about them, like, oh my god, they look so funny. But now it's just kind of like, I don't want to have titties like this for the rest of my life. Like, I mean, you're funny, but long-term commitment, I don't know about that. Like, I just nah. I didn't say I was doing all of that. It's not like I hate my boobs, like I look in the mirror and I'm like, but to be completely honest, it has come to a point where I'm not happy with them. Where, yeah, they can make me laugh because they look funny, but I'm not happy with them. Like, I'm not looking in the mirror like, oh, I love, you know what I'm saying? I think a lot of us have things that we don't like on ourselves, or that we want to change, whether that be going under the knife, or in the gym, or just eating differently, or lipo captivation. Girl, they got all kind of stuff. Botox, they got all types of stuff for you to enhance or unenhance yourself, or do whatever you want to do to, you know, be happy with your body. So yeah, that's what I'm doing, and that's what I want to do. I'm so firm in my decision, y'all. Like I said, if I could just show y'all these tits of mine, I don't even think they qualify as titties no more. They're gone. There is nothing there. I mean, after breastfeeding 3 babies, after being pregnant 3 times, it's kind of like when somebody goes through like extreme weight loss, because you know your boobs are nice and full when you breastfeed, and when you're pregnant your boobs just get nice and full. That milk is coming in, they just look so voluptuous. You got your bosom flowing for your babies and everything, and then after that's done, I mean, gravity takes its place and they just go where they go. And then I feel like on top of mine, I lost stress weight. Yeah, I've been through some up and down things with my stress weight. I do not like losing weight because I'm already little. So when I lose weight, it's not even really like me trying to lose weight, it's me going through stress. So when I stress out, I lose weight, I look like a skeleton, I can't even fit into extra small leggings. Like, it's just ridiculous. That's the place that I'm in right now. I think I'm getting better because I'm kind of coming out of my stress, and I'm starting to eat every day again, and just feeling healthier and taking better care of myself. But when I go through those like stress, weight loss things, it definitely affects my body, it affects me, and it has definitely affected the titties. It has affected the girls, honey. They drooping lower than they've ever drooped before. I ain't never seen my girls wilding out like this. I mean, it is what it is. So it's just like I kind of got like loose skin. Like, you can literally take my nipples and like do like this. So I just need them filled up. I need some volump, you know what I'm saying? I want to feel beautiful again when I look in the mirror and look at my titties. That's it, that's all, and that's what I'm gonna do. And I just want to take y'all on the journey with me. Like, I'm gonna be really open about it, transparent. I want to do vlogs about it. I'm gonna get them done right here in Atlanta, so I just want to take y'all on the process with me. That is that, girlfriend. But back to the outfit. I really do love this outfit. Like I said, the padding is definitely essential for me at this point in my life, so I am really loving this. Oh, I like these are so freaking cute. They a little big. Like I told y'all, I'm going through a little stress, weight loss. In the meantime, clothes is just gonna be a little big on me until I get back healthy, girl. But these pants are so cute. Oh my god, oh my god, this is giving me hood cowgirl. Like, don't play with me. That just make you want to do this. Ooh, ooh, ha! I just like all this extraness. It kind of gives you, you know, like illusion of like some body, some little hippie dippies or whatever. So this is just super cute. You could definitely rock these like with a little crop top like this. And yes, honey, I might wear these today. Hold on. Oh, these are so cute. I really don't remember ordering these pants. I think they supposed to be giving a big look. If not, y'all know I'm just a little twig. So I do have a lot of room, but I actually like this big, like, you know, roomy look. It just gives you a cute little chill vibe or whatever, cute little chill leather vibe. And I just do this top back on just to see, you know, how these would look. I think this would look really cute with like a black little crop top or something, you know. I would definitely have to have these taken in a little bit to like at least fit my waist. But yeah, I think these are really cute. You could definitely dress these up, throw on some heels. Okay, little leather pants, little MC Hammer. I can dig these, I can dig them. Oh, y'all know how Garden of Glam is coming with the sets. Y'all already know the two pieces be top tier, okay? I love this. It's just super comfortable, super stretchy. Like, I just love this so much. I don't know what this is, you know what I'm saying? It's some like little designs of some angels and stuff, but it's cute. So this is just adorable. Oh, y'all wait till I gain my little bit of thickness back, girl. You ain't gonna be able to tell me nothing. Super comfy. You could dress this up, you know, with some heels, or you could dress it down just really casual, running errands and stuff. I love the colors on this. I love the vibrancy. I love the print. I just love everything about this set, y'all. This is just so cute, honey. I love the neck on it too. Give me a turtleneck, girl. I love me a good turtleneck, okay? Okay. She's stepping out, she's stepping out, she's stepping out, she's stepping out. This cute. Hold on, let me show y'all what I will wear with this. Yes, honey, yes, honey. She's stepping out in this one. This one is super cute. Show a little bit of skin or whatever. This one is just so cute, and I feel like girly-fied because it got like the little ruffles. Let me show y'all. Yes, darling, the little ruffles. They also got the little ruffle all the way down on the leg. So I think this is just super cute. I would wear this with some little heels, like some little black, you know, little black kind of like casual type of heels, if that even makes sense. This is like a cute little brunch fit, your little bag or whatever. I just love the fit. Like, y'all, Garden of Glam, I cannot stress this enough. The two pieces, girl, give me a two piece of the biscuit. I think that's what my style has been a lot lately, like just really like stretchy, comfortable two pieces, because like you can do anything with them. They can look cute, but you can just, you know, go run your errands and still be, you know, chilling, but still like look cute. So I just been loving me some two-piece suits, okay? I don't even want to show you all these pants. The shirt is giving a little cute, you know what I'm saying? It's different for me. I stepped outside the box and got something different. I feel like it's a little big on me. I don't know if I really laced it up right either. I think it's cute though. I really been seeing this trendy little like half style floating around with these pants. I'm just embarrassed. I'm embarrassed at this point. I'm embarrassed because why is these pants falling off me like I am a 10-year-old girl? And these are a small. Y'all see what I mean when I say, you know what I'm saying, I gotta gain a little weight back? Because what? Yeah, these are way too big for me. This brings me back to the days when I couldn't fit my stuff when I was a little girl and my mama had to put a safety pin back there. I am screaming. So yeah, the pants is definitely a no. Like, I cannot fit these at all. But let's just zoom in. Let's focus on this shirt. This shirt is cute. Like I said, it's different for me, so I'm really kind of just seeing like, what would I wear this with? Probably just some like tight high waist pants. This is supposed to be a set. I'm supposed to have some tight high waist on right now, but y'all see my little, I think this would be so cute though, like with some heels on or like some booties. I just like how different it is. I like the big fit. This is cute. It's giving me like sexy pirate vibes. Like, yes, arg. I see how small this hole is, so I know I'm about to struggle. I'm just trying to get mentally prepared for this hole and for my head to go through this hole with makeup on. So let me just take a minute. Ooh. Hold on. Ooh. Like giving birth to myself. Okay, that wasn't too bad. Yes, yes, this is cute. I like this big fit. If you got a little booty, you might ride up in the back, because mine, I ain't even got nothing back there. Mine is like kind of riding up a little bit, but this is like so freaking cute. Oh my god, I can see this. Like, hold on, I gotta dress this up. Hold on. Okay, let me at least cut the things off. Oh, ouch. Why is this? Ow! It is the vibes for me. I love this dress. Like, I just love the oversized look and feel to it. I love where you can take this dress, honey. Do y'all see the vibes with this dress? Like, this is so freaking cute. I can see this on a cute little night out, honey. You just stepping out, you know what I'm saying? You don't want to do too much. What in the world? I got these shoes from Forever 21. This is my first time even trying these on, and y'all, I love these so much. I love these little clear heels. They're so cute, so girly, just so I had to show y'all this little dress dressed up because it's giving a little ooh. Now it's hot. It's hot. You better poetic justice me. I love this. This is the last piece, y'all. This is another like t-shirt dress. I am so in love with this. It's the vibes. It's the 90s vibes all the way. I could also see this dressed up with, like some black heels, cute little black bag. Like, this is just so cute. I'm loving like the graphic tees and the graphic stuff that's coming back. If you wasn't living in 2010, you know what I'm saying, 2010, 2011, that was our time to shine with the graphics, okay? And they making a comeback, and I just think it's super cute. Oh, look at this. It say, don't give a fuck. I ain't even noticed that. I love that. Oh, and this one say, frankly, my dear. I like this one, y'all. This could also be like a little chill fit, put on some tennis shoes, go run your errands, or put on some slides or something. Like, this is really cute. I like this. Bam, boom. Okay, Garden of Glam never disappoints. Okay, I just love getting new clothes. I'm so happy that I finally tried them on, finally opened my package. It's just nothing like getting new clothes and, you know what I'm saying, wearing a new little outfit for the day. So yes, that's it for this video. Make sure to stay tuned for my titty journey, okay, because I'm taking y'all along with me. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure to thumbs up if you enjoyed this haul. Make sure to comment down below and subscribe. Join the Boss Boo crew if you ain't joined, okay? And I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace out.